This video is intended for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Thumbnails are created to catch attention and may not accurately represent the actual content of the video. Content includes opinions and information gathered from public sources and personal parenting experience. We do not claim full accuracy. This video does not intend to target, defame, or disrespect any individual or organization. I am not a licensed child psychologist or family therapist. Always use your own judgment about what's appropriate for your children and consult a professional if you have concerns about a child's anxiety or well-being. The views expressed here are my own. This content is meant to spark thoughtful reflection, not to tell you what is right or wrong. Please watch with an open mind. Thank you for being part of our prepping family. Costco shelves look full right now, but if you know what to look for, you'll notice something. Certain aisles are already thinning out. Preppers who've been through shortages before aren't panic buying. They're quietly filling their carts with 12 specific items before September hits. Some of these you'd never expect. Stick around for number 7. That one's already selling out in half the country. If you're new here, welcome. I talk about practical, no-hype preparedness, not bunkers and gas masks, just smart moves regular people can make before things get harder. If that's you, hit subscribe because I post new lists like this multiple times a week. Let's get into it. Item 12, Kirkland bottled water. Starting at number 12 is bottled water. Obvious, I know, but here's the part people miss. It's not about drinking water, it's about barter and backup. When utilities get disrupted, even briefly, water goes from convenience to currency fast. Costco's Kirkland Flats are some of the cheapest per gallon water on the market. Grab 2 or 3 flats now while they're easy to get. Item 11, Kirkland Signature Olive Oil. Number 11, olive oil. Cooking fat is one of the first things to disappear in any supply disruption because it's used in almost everything and has a long shelf life. Costco's bulk olive oil is a fraction of the grocery store price per ounce. Buy it now, rotate it into your regular cooking, and replace it before it expires. Item 10, rotisserie chicken, frozen in bulk. This one surprises people. Costco's $4.99 rotisserie chicken is famous, but smart preppers are buying 2 or 3 at a time, stripping the meat and freezer bagging it in portions. It's the cheapest protein per pound in the store, and having a stocked freezer means fewer emergency grocery runs when things get chaotic. Item 9, Kirkland batteries. Number 9, batteries. Power outages are the single most common emergency in this country, and batteries are always the first thing to vanish off shelves once a storm warning hits. Kirkland's AA and 80A multi-packs are rated some of the longest lasting on the market and are dirt cheap in bulk. Grab a pack now, not during the panic. Item 8, canned tuna and salmon. Shelf-stable protein, dense in nutrition, and it lasts years. Costco's canned tuna and salmon multi-packs are some of the best value per ounce anywhere. This is the kind of food you rotate through your pantry regularly. Eat the old, replace with new, so nothing goes to waste. Item 7, portable power stations. Here's the one I mentioned at the top. Costco has been carrying portable power stations, the kind that can run a fridge or charge phones and medical devices during an outage. And they've been selling out fast every time they restock. If you've been putting off getting one, this is your sign. Prices on these only go up as demand increases. Item 6, Kirkland Signature Coffee. Sounds funny, but hear me out. Coffee is one of the top comfort and barter items in any prolonged disruption. People underestimate how much morale matters. A stock supply of good coffee is cheap now and becomes valuable fast later. Costco's bulk bags store well and cost far less per pound than a grocery store brand. Item 5, heavy-duty trash bags, not glamorous, but essential. In any extended emergency, flooding, power loss, projects, sanitation issues, trash bags become multi-purpose tools, waste management, waterproofing, insulation, even makeshift ponchos. Costco's contractor-grade bags are far more durable than standard ones, and a box lasts a long time. Item 4, first aid kits. Number 4, first aid supplies. Costco sells surprisingly comprehensive kits for less than what you'd pay assembling one piece by piece elsewhere. In any real emergency, medical supplies are gone from shelves within hours. Having a kit already in your closet means you're not competing with a panicked crowd. Item 3, Kirkland Signature Vitamins. When grocery access gets disrupted, nutrition gaps show up fast, especially in kids and older family members. A basic multivitamin supply is cheap insurance against that. Costco's Kirkland vitamins are lab-tested, comparable to name brands at a much lower price. Item 2, propane canisters. If the power goes out, you still need to cook. Costco's propane multi-packs for camp stoves are affordable and store almost indefinitely if kept properly. This is one of those items that's cheap today and either unavailable or marked up significantly during an actual event. Item 1, Kirkland Signature Toilet Paper. And number 1, yes, toilet paper. We all remember 2020. It's not really about the item itself, it's about what it represents. The fastest thing to disappear off shelves the moment people sense uncertainty, and one of the hardest things to substitute. Costco's bulk packs are the best per roll price you'll find anywhere. And this is the one item that consistently sells out first in every disruption we've seen. That's the list. 12 items I grabbed from Costco before things tighten up. None of this is about fear. It's about being quietly ready before everyone else realizes they need to be. If this was helpful, subscribe for more lists like this and let me know in the comments what you're already stockpiling. Stay ready, not scared.